Can legal institutions hold non-state actors accountable for IHL violations? International humanitarian law, including the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, is a hot topic right now. Many are asking if legal institutions can hold non-state actors accountable for violations. This question is particularly relevant as conflicts around the world continue to see the rise of non-state armed groups. People are searching for clarity on how these groups are treated under international law. Legal institutions, such as the International Criminal Court, play a key role in addressing violations of international humanitarian law. The International Criminal Court can prosecute individuals for war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide. This includes members of non-state armed groups. However, the court's jurisdiction is limited. It can only act if the state where the crimes occurred is a party to the Rome Statute, or if the United Nations Security Council refers the situation to the court. This creates a gap, as not all non-state actors fall under the court's authority. Non-state armed groups are increasingly recognized as parties to conflicts, especially in civil wars. The Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols establish that all parties, including non-state actors, must adhere to the rules of war. If these groups violate these laws, they can be investigated and prosecuted under specific conditions. National courts can also take action against individuals from non-state groups if they have the legal power to do so. Recent discussions highlight the challenges of enforcing accountability. Non-state actors often lack formal structures, making it difficult to identify and prosecute those responsible for violations. Legal institutions face practical obstacles, such as gathering evidence and securing the presence of suspects in court. Despite these challenges, there are examples where non-state actors have been held accountable, either through international or domestic legal processes. Efforts to improve accountability are ongoing. Legal institutions are working to strengthen their capacities, support national prosecutions, and encourage non-state actors to adopt codes of conduct that respect international humanitarian law. Civil society and international organizations also play a role in monitoring violations and supporting victims. In summary, while legal institutions can hold non-state actors accountable for violations of international humanitarian law, there are limits and challenges. The law is clear that all parties to a conflict must respect the rules protecting civilians. However, the effectiveness of enforcement depends on the jurisdiction and capacity of legal institutions, as well as the political will and cooperation from states and international bodies.